Hello! Time to wake up and make up with Jennifer Woolsey. My hair is a mess this morning. How is everybody out there in Facebook land and YouTube land? Say hello and let me know when you're here. If you're not seeing a red live button over here, then you're catching a replay. So be sure and hashtag replay. We have a new palette. Yay! I own no rights to these songs that are playing in the background, FYI, so I just needed to say that, and I'll post it on my thing so that nobody tries to copyright me. So we have a new palette called Send the Roses, and this palette is gorgeous. I haven't used it yet, but we're going to do it today. It launches today on my website, so I wanted to try to show you guys a different eye look. So I'm a little nervous, but we're going to do this. So let's hop in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen, and I'm going to now prime my face with my Ink Lasting Primer. Just takes a dab to prime and to cover those pores. I also use this on my eye area to help that makeup to stay longer, which is what we want, right? You don't want to put your makeup on and it only lasts for a short period of time. Hey Google, turn down 2 notches. I don't want it to be so loud that they shut us down. Okay. We are primed and ready to go. Are y'all ready? We're going to hop in with our Magix wand in the shade Marshmallow. You guys, I have been using this stick for months, and I still have a little bit left. That's the cool thing about these Magix wands. There's a ton on them, and I'm going down in a downward motion. The other cool thing is that you can also use it as a foundation stick if you want to do a little bit darker of a shade. I actually do 2 shades lighter in this than I do in my foundation so that I can use it as a concealer. So I've put that on, and now I'm going to take my ring finger and we're just going to blend, 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 blend. Yay! So how many of you guys are like, Jennifer, I could never do this. Could never, ever, ever do my makeup on Facebook. I don't even like to do my makeup at home by myself. I hear you. So I've been kind of going through this. We've been sick. We've been down. And so I've been thinking, okay, I really need to hop on and do my makeup. And I just didn't feel like it. Ink Lasting and Cushion Foundation. And it's so cool. Watch. Pop the top. And take your thing. And I was like, you know what? It's a new week. And it's time to get back to business. School starts back tomorrow for our kids. And I've got AVON deliveries today. So I'm going to be out. I just picked up 1 push of that Kush. And it will cover my entire face. It is amazing how much coverage that you can get out of 1 push of the Kush. And then I'm just blending it in as I go around. But I think that, you know, if we get up and we get dressed and we get ready for our day, it just makes us feel better, right? I mean, it puts you in a better mindset. I mean, even if you don't have anywhere to go. Oprah says, if you want to be successful, you get up, you get dressed, and you get ready to be successful for the day. So we're going to take Oprah's advice. And we are going to get up and get ready for the day. Okay. I think we're cushed in. What do you think? Okay. So now we're going to go in and do our brows. So I take a little spindle brush and I brush that down first. There we go. And I'm going to do my powder a little bit different today because I'm doing a different eyeshadow look. And I want to give myself a little bit of leeway in how I am doing my eyeshadow. So I'm interested to see. You guys may laugh at me. Good thing we don't have a huge audience today because you may laugh at me when you see me do this new eye look. Okay. So I'm just drawing like a box in around my eyebrows and then just filling them in with it's a dark brown eye pencil. I'm not really drawing new eyebrows. I'm just filling them in. Okay, maybe I am a little bit because I went a little bit bigger on that side. So we better do a little bit bigger on. There we go. Hopefully they're matching. Well, we don't want them to look like caterpillars, right? We just want them to look like eyebrows. All right. The brows are done. Are you ready? Here we go. So we're going to do this Send the Roses palette. It has so many beautiful shades in it. But I've kind of pinpointed a few that I'm mainly going to use. What do you think? Look at those colors. So I'm going to start with just it's just a floppy brush. And I'm going to go ahead and do this top part with, I think I'm going to do this shimmery pink here. Okay. Not a lot of fallout, which is good. And I'm just going to do the top part underneath my arch of my brow. I hope my lighting is good enough to pick this up for you guys. So we're just going to do that. This is kind of a light color, so I'm not sure you're going to see a whole lot with that part. Hi, Michaela. Thank you for joining me. Okay, now we're going to go in with this darker color down here, and we're going to work that in our crease. So I've got a crease brush, and I'm going to pick up this kind of a, I don't know, eggplant-y type color. We're just going to do a little bit here in the crease. Bear with me, we're gonna blend. I'm trying to do like a little triangle here. Ah! What do you think? I'm like, Michaela, I'm scared. This is the first time I've done this eye palette. So we're praying for huge success here. Say a prayer for us. Okay, so we're just doing that little corner crease there. Okay, it's going to blend. Stay with me. I know I look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show. Yes, it's a new AVON palette. It's called Send the Roses. It's so pretty. It launches today on my website, so I wanted to kind of test it out with you guys and see what we thought. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this pink shimmer right here. And we're going to do just a little bit of shimmer. This has got a little bit of extra shimmer in it, which is really cool. I think I may end up blending that darker just a little bit more. Yep. I think we're going to do just a little bit higher up with that darker in our crease, and I'll show you why in just a second. I didn't add any to it. I'm just pulling up what I've already got on this part of my eye. I'm just going to pull it up into my crease. Hi guys, welcome. We are using a new palette this morning that I've never used before. So I know right now I look like Mimi from Drew Carey. But if y'all know who that is, some of you may be too young to even know who that is. Okay, so we blended that up a little bit more. So this pink has a little bit of shimmer. This is probably more of a look that you would want for like a date night. Today's delivery day for me, so with my AVON, I'm going to be out passing out books and orders. So I wanted to do a little bit extra. Okay, so I did that pink in the middle part. Can you see how that's pulling? Now, I'm going to take my finger, and there's a little gold over here. I'm going to pat this in to that crease inside. I think it's all going to blend well. Good morning, Deborah. Once I get it all on. And yes, I'm pulling it even a little bit into the inside of my eye because I want that little bit of extra shimmer reflection. Oh, this color, y'all, it pays off so well, and it's not, I mean, it's blending well. Okay, so I've got those three colors kind of on there. So I'm taking my floppy brush that I used on the top now, and I'm just going to blend them a little bit all together. It's kind of like painting with numbers, right? I mean, it's going to be bold, but that's okay because we're girls. We can do whatever we want, right? Okay, we're going to have to fix this crease here. Wait till we get the full effect on, and then we'll make a judgment call. How about that? Okay, I'm going to pick back up to that stifle brush. I'm going to pick a little bit more of that gold up, and I'm going to bring that over just a little bit more to blend. I think it's going to be cute. What are y'all thinking? Tell me your thoughts. Would you go this glam? Is this something that you would do on a regular basis? I'm thinking for me, I forgot to put my makeup towel over here. Thinking for me, this is more like a date night look. I'm going to pick a little bit of this up, and I'm blending it with this pink, and I'm going to highlight this part just a little bit more. Not probably an everyday look, but you know what? You do you, girl. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to get your opinions. Thoughts? Anything I need to add or change? I'm liking it. I'm liking the effect. It's gonna be bold. Now, I'm gonna remind you guys, I wear glasses. I do have my glasses. So for me with glasses, I have to have it a little bit bolder because you can't see it if I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Super Extend eyeliner. We're gonna go ahead and do the full effect, and then we'll make a call. We can always add and take away if we need to. The cool thing is when you go with an eye this bold, you really don't even have to do an eyeliner. So if you're going to go on a date with your sweetheart, for Valentine's Day, this might be a look that you wanted, to pull off. Thank you, Michaela. And, it's nice every once in a while to spruce things up and to feel just a little bit more glamorous than the normal everyday mom look, right? I mean, my kids love me whether I have eyeshadow on or not. But sometimes it's nice to just feel a little bit over. Okay, let's get that mascara on, and then I will let you guys do the final. I think it's looking okay. I think it's going to be all right. I may just have to order this. Well, girlfriend, you need to pick it up. We also have great highlighters, which I gave to one of my customers in this line that has some rose gold in it that is going to be amazing on your cheeks, that you're definitely going to want to pick up. So I'm, of course, using my Love Mascara because it has these little heart-shaped fibers, which will be great for Valentine's Day. And they help your eyelashes to kind of explode and to grow and to be a little bit more bold. It's a date with your customers. That's right. It's delivery day, so it's a date with my customers. That is a good point, Eva May. I'm liking it. I'm gonna rock this, I think. I haven't ever done much metallic. Okay. So what do we think? Opinions? I'm open. This is the one time I'm going to tell you guys to judge. Would you wear this? Would you buy this palette? It's live today on your avon.com/jwoolsey. I'm going to go in now with my translucent loose powder, and I'm just going to touch up and blend. I didn't do this until after my eyeshadow because I didn't know if it was going to have any fallout. And sometimes with eyeshadows, you're going to have a little bit of fallout, which will leave a lot of like glitter and stuff on your eyes. And I didn't want that. I don't know. I think I must have gotten some eyeshadow. Let me show you a little trick. I think I got some down here. So I'm going to take my Cush back out, and I'm just going to pat it. This is my foundation. And just kind of do a clean wing on that. There we go. Much better. Much better. Okay. And then I am going to finish up with this translucent loose powder. I have another new product to show you guys, so don't leave yet because you're going to want to see this last finishing touch. All right, now we're going to use our Cushion blush and coral. And here's the thing, when you go this bold with your eyes, you may not want to go really bold with your cheeks. I'm just going to do a dab today on my cheeks because I really don't want to overpower the eyes. Okay, just did a touch, a kiss of color, just a kiss of color. Then we're going to do our highlighter because we're going all out, girl. If we're going glimmer, we're going glitter everywhere today. And I just push it in on the top part. This is the best highlighter I've ever had. Best. Do a little on your nose, a little on your cute ho. Little up her, and you can see it if I turn just right in the light. Okay, our finishing touch. Are you ready? This is our new One More Scoop. It's so cute. Gelatin lip gloss. This is a lip stain, so it's not something for your kids. It's going to be something that you want in your makeup counter for you. And look how cute it is. It comes in 5 shades. I think this is the one they sent me. So it's Honey Clementine. And it kind of smells like chocolate. So it's not like my favorite color. It does kind of accent the eyes. But I'm going to add a little extra Crave in my French toast to it. To give it a little glossy look. Ah! What do you think? What do you think, guys? This is our finished look for the day. I'm going to close my eyes and let you get a full look at the eyes. That is the Send the Roses palette. You need to add that to your order cart today on youravon.com/jwoolsey. You can do so many beautiful things with it. So pick that up today. Get it for your niece. Get it for your daughter. Get it for your granddaughter. Get it for all the women in your life so they can feel a little bit of glamour today. I hope that you all have a fabulous day. Thank you for waking up and making up with me. And I love you guys. Please share this video. Somebody else may want some of these makeup tips that they can use for their own makeup counter. Thank you, Michaela. Thanks, Deborah, for joining. I love you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.